Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to share with you the review of under eye roll-on, and it is from the brand Oriental Botanics, and this is their aloe vera, green tea and cucumber under eye gel roll-on. So first of all, I really like the concept of roll-on, and secondly, what I like about this product is it is in a gel form. So I have heard about the under eye roll-on, but I have never heard anything about like gel under eye roll-on. So this is, I really like the concept of this product. So I am using this product from past few days and I really got a very good result, and that's why I'm going to share my review with all of you. So if you don't know about this brand, so I will just quickly tell a little bit about this brand, and after that I will start my review. So basically Oriental Botanics is an absolutely natural brand. So this brand does not contain any kind of harmful chemicals. It is absolutely free from parabens, silicone, mineral oil and sulfate. It is totally cruelty free and vegan. And also you will get so many other products from this particular brand. So if you want to check out their other products as well, I will put the link in my description box of their official website. You just go and check it out. So now coming to the review of this product, I purchased it from their official website, and this one is retail for rupees 499. You will get here 15 ml of product. As I have told, it is absolutely free from parabens, silicone, mineral oils, and it contains pure extract, and it does not contain sulfate, does not contain silicone. It is cruelty free and vegan, and you will get here 2 years of shelf life. But once you started using it, you will get 12 months of shelf life. And this one, the ingredient list is really good. I have already read out all the ingredients. So this one is contained aloe vera extract, green tea extract, cucumber extract, vitamin B3, that is niacinamide, and high hyaluronic acid. So these are some key ingredients which are really good and useful for our skin. So basically the aloe vera, green tea and cucumber will helps to reduce the fine lines and dark circles under your eyes. So as we are all are now working from home, we are having a very hectic day, and after that we need to give some rest to our eyes as well, so that if you are using it, you will get that relaxation, that refreshment. It will gives you that refreshment. So basically I use it at my bedtime, at night time, because that is the time when we are giving our skin that rest, so that it can work really well. So now coming to its packaging, as you can see, the packaging is really beautiful. It comes in a cardboard box with green and white kind of packaging, and this is how the product looks like. And as you can see, it contains a cap in it, and this is how the roll-on looks like. You can massage this product with this roll-on. You don't need to use your fingers to apply this. And also the best part of this product is that it is in a gel form. So if you are having oily skin or combination skin like me, you don't need to worry, because it will not make your under eye areas greasy or oily, and it will gives you enough hydration. As you know that it contains high hyaluronic and niacinamide in it, which is a really good properties to give you hydration, as well as it also helps to reduce the puffiness from under your eyes, and it will gives you very good refreshment. When you are applying it on your eyes and you are massaging it, you can feel that coolness and refreshment on your skin. So that is really a good thing for me. And the next thing which I really like about this product is that as it is in a gel form, so it absorbs very quickly on my skin and gives the proper hydration which actually my skin needs. So now as you can see, you need to wash your face, and after that you can use a moisturizer or serum. In this range they are also having their green tea serum, so you can definitely use it as well. And after that you just need to click up this roll on. It is in a click up form, so you need to click this up, and when the product comes up, you need to just apply it under your eyes and massage it with this roll on for 30 seconds, and it will absorb on your skin very quickly. Another thing which I really like about this product is its fragrance. So most of the people are having problems with the strong fragrance, even also me. I don't like strong fragrance at all because it gives me headache, but this one does not contain any fragrance. Or if you are just smell it from very closely, you can smell the very mild smell of aloe vera or cucumber, but that is absolutely absolutely mild. It will not bother you at all. And the best part of this is that it will not gives you any kind of irritation or burning sensation, because sometimes even when I am applying face pack around my eyes, it gives me a little bit of burning sensation. But for this, I am using it just around my eye areas, totally under my eyes, but it will not gives me any kind of burning sensation or any kind of irritation. So yes, I absolutely love this product, and I will recommend this one to each and everyone, to each and every skin type. So yes guys, that's all about my today's video, and if you want to purchase this product, I will put their official website link. You just go and check it out. You can check their other products as well. You can check or you can follow their Instagram page as well. I will put their Instagram page link also in my description box, so that just go and check it out. And I hope that you like my today's review, and if you like my review, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you on my next video. Till then, take care, lots of love, and bye bye.